Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to save a point on a DXF file. So what I've done is I've taken the FieldGenius sample project and I've brought it into FieldGenius here. And you can see that I have these points in the DXF file, but they're not actually saved in my point database. I've got nothing inside of my point database. So what I want to do is build either a further figure off this figure or stake to the points on the figure. And to do that, all I have to do is select a point on the figure. So let's say I select this corner point here, and then I'm going to select Store DXF Point. I'm going to hit Store Point. And now I can do what I would normally do with these points. So let's say I want to build a figure off of it. I can use the line tool. Or if I want to stake to it, I can select the staking icon, hit Stake Point, and you can see that my guy can now, my little arrow here can now stake to point number 8. And that is how you create a point off of a DXF file inside of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out, and it helps me keep making these videos for you guys. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about a totally North American surveying solution, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.